Maserati Ghibli. The original Ghibli of 1966 was a coupe body that had a front engine. The extremely long dash-to-axle and the low back makes this car. The new Maserati Ghibli is inspired by the F-35. This car has an interesting zigzag contour blade on the top view. The F-35 is a pride of the American Navy and is considered to be one of the most successful fighter planes of all time. This car does not disappoint by keeping the F-35 as its inspiration. This car looks as it could give the F-35 a run for its money in the runway. This design of the Maserati Ghibli has turned the mid-size luxury sports coupe to a super sports car that is ready to race with full throttle. The car looks aggressive and the big tires give the expression of good control of the vehicle. This Italian sports tourer was able to exude its curve and the flowing lines. This modified Ghibli has kept the signature Maserati grille that has the trident on it. This was kept the attraction the same for continuing eyeballs. The gorgeous exterior of the design of the Ghibli is maintained in this car. The car comes in different custom colors. The car looks like a Black Panther in black color. It has 4 silencers at the back of the car. The original Ghibli is a 4-seater car, but this modified version is a 2-seater. This modified Ghibli is an Italian masterpiece. The car's engine is equipped with its air gap technology. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.